Royal government has always remained committed to supporting innovation and fostering the spirit of entrepreneurship with a strong emphasis on enabling the private sector. I think that has been our stand, and that is what we try to do even now. And the Prime Minister, the Honorable Prime Minister himself, has always been directing all of us in the ministry. The Ngacharegi, the Ngachagakapgi, Penjo Tindi Jogobachin, the Ngachagirdello, Chapchu Pegosi, the Kaja announcement that Ngacharegi 13-5-year plan, one key priority 13-5-year plan is to strengthen the business ecosystem issue. As part of this effort, government aims to establish and operationalize approximately over 6,500 startups, the new industries, Sunigi, the Sonda Zorakana, Anabi Yushu, the Mapa de Chudumbe, Vigilation Catule, Garalo, the Ngachagi, Tambarangachagi, Penju Gonfegi, board, Kesosi, Economic Development Board, the Supemidira, the Ngachagi Girdinalo, the Ladisu. Benigi Jamto to Tommy, through this Jamto to Tommy get the Highway Insurance, Indira Beru, the Chinagi Sunzumbe, Gachara Gakamalo, Kangi, Kashim Suchi, the Numara, the Chinagi Sunzumbe, mindset, this is very difficult to change the mindset, Nachikaragi Shilla. I read, I also went through the interviews and the books by Numa, the late Prime Minister of Singapore, Lee Kuan Yew, who he said that it's very difficult to change the mindset. It's easy to build skyscrapers, build infrastructure. Even here in Bhutan, I think within a very short time, we have been able to build a lot of huge infrastructures. But changing the mindset, but then the economic stimulus plan launched Bedira Beru, the major Nagisumi de Demela Indira Beru, I think the economic stimulus plan that Gatopsani Jira Bitu, public fund. The public fund, 15 billion is a lot of money, but public fund Benediki Tangachagi and the system, this is very difficult. And plus, we also have learnings from past, like National Credit Guarantee Scheme, the third coming term, they pumped in about 1.6 billion. I'm not saying that has not helped, but so many issues too. The National Credit Guarantee, National CSA Bank, the priority sector lending, priority sector lending, this one, banks is tried by the Lahadu system, this Gomasun, that and it's only not some Lahadum, Hanbendigi, that through ESP, Penjul Handabgi, Mangunality, the Machari Catole, Shugi Catole. Vigilance giving Kaja, Atarana, Jojo, Besu Bear, Gaham, Unindigi, Papangachi, Big Dindi, the Shubera, Bedushundal, Imdalu, the Chuduzumbe. I think there are a lot of issues to Celestia do. It's easier said than done. Telling now ESP credit line, I think what if I try to think through, I think recently there was some media headlines about one young person who was trying to do something, who was trying to save some 40 million, he worked through Matobese. For that, actually, I tried to they were basically saying that equipment he was trying to buy is about some bomb. And Kongi Sichap he will only use about 15 to 20% use benime. The Chigi as downsize Bena certainly. The Kogi, the Bemisus love this, but I'm just Nagisumi and memo, the the ESP Nabiachi, Cheshochi, the Credit Information Bureau, the Credit Information System Information, Matawaj and Taratawemula. A lot of the people who are still not happy are those who have a bad credit history and who still think that they should be given. Even among the missing subject to be timid, the credit information bureau the matasi. Then you know that you're going to give money to somebody who has a bad history of credit. Take this as Rangitru Imbachendi, who to give your money to. The history, the Mibachin, the Mibjuni, Yanka Bombera, Machigi Anebe Jome Shudela, the Chudumbe, much ESP credit line through banks, that much education loan Birchin, Bubin Bede, then all others about 3.3 billion. The Dugonfingi Hanalebede, and the Shungi love the salary nation, much is ESP steering committee, the Tizian, the Tumaragi Chashudu, the Langachari Sondegi, Songilambo, the Sanam Gilambo, the Langachari, the semi multisectoral, Arameta, Bank Disugi, Kara Yushu, the Lachiki Nadi, lap tisalara chapcha me shundela timbapan. Our idea is we want to facilitate develop the shugi beroya the namsame that anibe naragi ani maje shundela maji mindset is difficult, but we are changing. See.